Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we start today's video, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Let's start today's video. Exquisite design. The Rolls-Royce Ghost boasts a timeless and elegant design characterized by its iconic grille, long hood, and elegant proportions. The exterior features clean lines and subtle curves, while the interior is crafted with meticulous attention to detail. Handcrafted interior. The interior of the Ghost is meticulously crafted using the finest materials, including premium leather upholstery, real wood veneers, and polished metal accents. Every detail is carefully considered, creating a luxurious and comfortable environment for passengers. Advanced technology. Despite its classic appearance, the Ghost is equipped with the latest in automotive technology. This includes a high-resolution infotainment system with a touchscreen display, navigation, smartphone integration, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium audio system. Digital cockpit. The Ghost features a digital instrument cluster that provides essential driving information in a clear and customizable format. This digital cockpit enhances the driving experience while maintaining the vehicle's classic aesthetic. Powerful engine. The Rolls-Royce Ghost is powered by a potent V12 engine, delivering smooth and effortless power. This engine provides ample acceleration and performance, ensuring a refined driving experience in any situation. Silent Ride. Rolls-Royce is known for its commitment to providing a silent and serene driving experience, and the Ghost is no exception. The cabin is meticulously insulated to minimize road noise, while the suspension system absorbs bumps and imperfections in the road for a smooth ride. Luxurious amenities. The Ghost is equipped with a range of luxurious amenities to enhance comfort and convenience. This may include features such as heated and ventilated seats, massaging functions, a panoramic sunroof, and customizable ambient lighting. Customization options. Rolls-Royce offers extensive customization options for the Ghost, allowing buyers to tailor the vehicle to their exact specifications. This includes options for exterior paint colors, wheel designs, interior trims, and bespoke features tailored to safety features. The Ghost is equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety features to protect occupants in the event of an accident. This may include advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a surround view camera system. Exclusive ownership experience. Owning a Rolls-Royce Ghost is more than just owning a car, it's a lifestyle. Rolls-Royce offers exclusive ownership experiences, including personalized concierge services, VIP events, and access to exclusive clubs and gatherings. Overall, the Rolls-Royce Ghost epitomizes luxury and refinement, offering a combination of timeless design, advanced technology, and unparalleled craftsmanship. It's a symbol of prestige and success, making it a highly desirable vehicle for discerning buyers.